So if you're broke, struggle with money, or just can't seem to save, this is why. There are 6 bad money habits that keep you from financial freedoms, and chances are you don't even realize you're doing them. So most of people struggle with money not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know how to manage what they have. And if you have ever wondering why the rich keep getting richer while the others stay stuck, it's come down to habits. So just give me 4 minutes of your time. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what is being holding you back financially and how to turn things around and start it right now. So number 1, you pay yourself last. So one of the most powerful lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is paying yourself first. Most of people pay bills, cover expenses, and then save whatever is left, if anything remains. But the wealthy do the opposite. They take a minimum of 10% or 15% of their income and save it first. This one change can set you to the financial success. Number 2, it's you relying on the bad debt. Credit card companies love when you mismanage your money. That is how they profit. So the average interest rate is 22%, making it easier to fall into the cycle of endless payments. My role: if I can't buy it outright with cash, I don't put it on my credit card. Just try to prioritize paying down debt and build a 6-month emergency funds and avoid unnecessary borrowing. Number 3, you're not tracking your income and expenses. So if you don't know where your money is going, how can you build wealth? Because many people fell into the life inflations. They spend more as their income increase. Wealthier individuals track their income and expenses, understanding their assets and their liabilities, and set a clear financial goals. So start tracking your money today and you will instantly feel more in control. So number 4, expensive hobbies and impulse spending. So shopping, dining out, and entertainment add up very quickly. So to improve your financial position, you need to either save more or just make more money. The best approach, you can do both. Cutting costs alone won't make you rich. You need to create additional income streams. So whether it's side hustles, investing, or negotiating a rise, focus on growing your wealth while managing your spendings. Number 5, you overpay taxes. Taxes are like your biggest lifetime expenses. Yet most of people don't take advantage of legal taxes saving strategies. Whether individuals use tax advantage accounts, business structures, and experts' advice to reduce their tax burdens. Because the more you understand the tax rules, the more money you can keep in your pocket. Number 6, you are delaying investing. Once you have built savings, your money should be working for you. Many people leave money sitting in the bank's accounts, losing value due to inflations. So start investing soon as possible. Even small amounts add up over time. Try to diversify your investments to protect against market fluctuations and let the compound growth to do the heavy lifting. So my final thought, transforming your money mindset is the first step toward your financial freedoms. So if you found this video helpful, don't miss out my other videos. I will link them at the end of the video. So tell me, what is the first money habit you will break in today? And if you have more tips on how to take control of your finances, just drop a comment below. I'd love to hear it. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share to your friends. Peace out.